It hasn't grown much.
I think it might be a strand cast.
I don't think it was engineered. I've worked in the gene farms. This one looks evolved, too ugly. This one, on the other hand, looks like she was farmed in the Sido caves of Nora.
Mrs. Cara Dune. She was a shock trooper.
You were a dropper.
Did you serve?
On the other side, I'm afraid. But I'm proud to say that I paid out my clan's debt, and now I serve no one but myself.
Would anyone care for some tea?
Please lower your blasters. He will not harm you.
That thing is programmed to kill the baby.
Not anymore. It was left behind in the wake of your destruction. I found it, laying where it fell. Devoid of all life. I recovered the flotsam and staked it as my own in accordance with the charter of the New Republic. Little remained of its neural harness. Reconstruction was quite difficult, but not impossible. It had to learn everything from scratch. This is something that cannot be taught with the twist of a spanner. It requires patience, repetition. I spent day after day reinforcing its development with patience and affirmation. It developed a personality as its experiences grew.
Is it still a hunter?
No, but it will protect.
Tea?